Hey guys, Scent Psycho 81, lovely here. I went shopping today, one of the biggest snows we've gotten, and I got an email from Bath and Body Works about their candle sale, and I've been waiting for one, so I went. You know, my husband drove, but we're crazy. Anyway, here's my bag. So yeah, it's a pretty decent size haul. So, I am not showing everything I got in this haul once again, but this will be the last one for a while that I can't show everything because I shipped my Secret Cupid's package off to her. So, that's all done for now. So, I will get right into this haul. I got a Tiki Beach 3-wick. Now, my husband picked this scent because it reminds him of a scent from a couple years ago, and we had the room spray when we stayed at our condo in Florida. So the scent just reminds him of that, and I can't remember what the scent was a couple years ago, but it was this exact. I mean, it was the same scent, probably repackaged, renamed, but so he wanted that. And I have been waiting for a while to get my watermelon lemonade candle. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's fresh, it's springy, it's juicy. I mean, I would drink this. Love it. And I got an Oceanside. Now, as most of you know, I like fresh, clean scents in my house. That is what I love to burn the most of. Oceanside, to me, it's a nice twist on their Clean Breeze home fragrance. It's kind of like Clean Breeze. It's a little softer, and it's got a little bit of like sunscreen in there, you know? It's really nice. I mean, it's an awesome fresh. Just give it a sniff next time you're out. I really like that one. Okay, all of their EDTs were $20 today. I got a Mad About You. Yay! I'm so excited because my little baby one's already almost gone. So let's open this up. This EDT is so pretty. Let's just open it up and have a look. Look how pretty that packaging is. Yay! And black and pink. Who doesn't like that combo, you know? Gorgeous. All right. They packed my candles in one of one of these cartons. I wonder if I can reuse this because I'll probably fill it up because I'm going back tomorrow. And I got another one of their new formula soaps to try. I'm trying to give away and use up all the old soaps that have the triclosan in them and get these new soaps. So I cannot wait until there's more scents. But I got a Fresh Market Peach. Awesome scent. All right. And that is actually all that I can show you guys today. It's this soap coupon again. Remember the soap coupon? Love it. New fragrances, new formulas, new look. You've got to try it to believe it. Hashtag try it to believe it. Free item of your choice up to $12.50 value with any purchase of $10 or more. So these are good. I like these coupons. These are great. If you just want to go in there, spend a little bit. If you don't want to spend, you know, $30 to get your survey, you could use this and get a free item. So that's pretty cool. Yay. And there's something else in here. Oh yeah, you guys have seen this. It's the online coupon, 20% off and free shipping on orders over 25 or more. You guys have seen that. So, all right, guys. So I climbed a huge snow hill in the parking lot at the mall. These are all just surveys. Anyway, and I'm going to include some footage of that because it's kind of crazy. And I was like, I'm going to do it without my Bath and Body Works bag. And then I started and I was like, I can handle this. So give me the shopping bag. So I will include footage of that for you guys to see. All right, comment, rate, subscribe, share this video, and have a good one. You gotta test it first real good. Like that. How you doing?